Scared of making mistakes while learning a new language? Lango's got your back. Lango is a fun, stress-free conversation training app for students. It uses a role-playing game format to help you practice speaking. The newly launched Lango Buddy will guide you from beginner to advanced. Start with a warm-up session with Warm-Up Buddy, then tackle advanced conversations and dive into the Lango family story series for fun, immersive learning. Our practice types include vocabulary training, sentence training, and conversation training. Then level up to simulate real-world free conversation, Langoland. Upcoming launches will include learning Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, and other foreign languages. You can search for Lango School on the App Store or Google Play and download it to your phone. Then enter your username and password. On this page, you'll see your related courses. All right, let's officially start the conversation training.
Thanks. That means a lot to me. I just feel so defeated right now.
The scoring is based on 3 evaluation criteria: completeness, accuracy, and fluency. Lango will provide instant scoring and help you identify problem words so you can repeatedly challenge them in your profile. Remember, consistency is key. Lango's here to guide you at every step. Let's make your language journey effective, fun, and unforgettable.